The roots of the India-China border dispute trace back to the late 19th century, during the reign of the British Empire in India and the Qing dynasty in China. The two powers engaged in diplomatic negotiations over their respective territorial claims. However, ambiguity clouded these agreements, setting the stage for future disputes. In the years that followed, the border, known as the Line of Actual Control or LAC, remained poorly demarcated in several areas. This lack of clarity led to occasional skirmishes and standoffs, with tensions escalating at times, particularly in the Ladakh region. Fast forward to the 21st century, the situation has been exacerbated by various factors. Infrastructure development along the border, differing perceptions of the LAC, and geopolitical competition have all played a part. The year 2020 marked a significant escalation when Indian and Chinese troops clashed violently in the Galwan Valley, resulting in casualties on both sides. This incident triggered increased military deployments and heightened tensions between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. To manage the border issue, both India and China have turned to diplomatic channels, initiating high-level talks and confidence-building measures. However, progress has been slow and sporadic, and the situation remains volatile, with periodic flare-ups and military standoffs. The northern region of Ladakh has emerged as a hotspot in this prolonged dispute. Both India and China have bolstered their military presence in the region, constructing infrastructure and deploying troops. This militarization has raised concerns about potential miscalculations or inadvertent escalations that could ignite a broader conflict. Beyond the border issue, India and China have also been locked in broader geopolitical competition, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. Both countries have sought to expand their influence and fortify their strategic partnerships, leading to increased competition in areas such as trade, infrastructure development, and military cooperation. The India-China relationship is a delicate dance of cooperation and competition. While both countries recognize the importance of maintaining stable, mutually beneficial ties, they are also keen on safeguarding their respective interests. In summary, while a full-scale war between India and China has been averted, tensions persist due to long-standing border disputes, especially in the Ladakh region. Both nations have attempted to manage the situation through diplomatic means, but the underlying issues remain unresolved, posing a continued risk of escalation. The quest for a peaceful resolution to the border issue continues, but the complex nature of the dispute makes achieving progress a formidable task.